Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. It's Tuesday, December the 12th, and it's 1 minute to the open of New York. Watching the NASDAQ here, and I'm actually watching everything. This is the Three Sisters, of course. NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. 1 minute chart. VWAP today was CPI day. There's the spike, of course. We always get a reaction no matter what happens, and everything was basically in line with expectations, but there are still some parties that are a little bit surprised or want to celebrate something, I guess. Lack of bad news or the absence of great news. Could be anything. But this is leading into the open here. Let's take a look at the higher time frames. Well, why don't we start right with the daily. There's the daily. You can see we broke yesterday's high again. Very bullish picture here, by the way. Right across the board. See that there? And we broke the high. Now I've come back into yesterday's range on the NASDAQ and on the S&P. Still above yesterday's range on the Dow for now, but we definitely have top wick, and top wick. That's a reversal picture, at least for now. We'll see more clearly, of course, on the open itself. This is the 30-minute picture. There's yesterday's high and yesterday's low. You can see it there. Asia, Europe, and US. You can see the high and the low. So I show that with a horizontal line. We are now open, by the way, guys. Selling off here into the session. Here we go. 1 minute chart. By the way, I'm going to be cutting out dead air, sideways grinding action, non-teaching moments, things of that nature to keep this video nice and tight. But we'll see if we can get a trade here today. I'm averaging about 1.4 trades a day with this very low VIX that we have. We'll see if we can stay on track with the trade here. Maybe two, who knows? Maybe nothing. I'm willing to take no trades. It's kind of the name of the game here, is to avoid trading unless there's an optimal setup, because that's how we can do pretty well for ourselves and avoid giving a whole lot of money back to the market. I guess I'll put you on pause for now, bring you back as this thing materializes. All right, guys, right here, NASDAQ, buy stop order just above. See that wick right there? Above that wick. I'm asking quite a bit here. Right there, here we go. I'm going to fix my marker in a moment here. This is a trend continuation trade. Bear with me. And I'm in, guys. And I'm in right there. Right there. Trend continuation, long the NASDAQ. Let's get this down to where it should be. Right there. Primary target is 1 hour, guys. 1 hour primary target with an extreme target of 2 hour. I'll put you on pause, bring you back. We'll talk about this in a little bit more detail. And target 1 has been hit. Took a long time, but we got there. It's kind of grinding up. And so the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. And of course, the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has now moved their stop to break even because we just hit 1 hour. So they will either get 2 hour or nothing in between. The 1.5 and 2 hour all or nothing traders, of course, will stay in this thing and see what happens from here. This is a trend continuation trade, also a reversal. You can see we had a reversal earlier on here today, but kind of a messy one. I really haven't loved the look and feel of the reversal behavior here. Certainly not on the NASDAQ, but on the others as well. I won't flip over, so I don't want to lose the formatting here, but you can see it for yourself on your own charts for sure. So this is a trend continuation. You'll see that we had this obviously we're in a bullish daily, very bullish daily chart here. Positive moving average configuration, sequential wave uptrend with impulse and pullback, and impulse continuing higher into this bull market move. New multi-month highs here, and then of course the pullback earlier today. We had breaking above a key candle here, but one candle delayed, and that's okay too. But when we had this break above the opening range, 10-minute opening range, which I'm now using this new indicator to kind of show, I may or may not keep it, I don't know, we'll see. but then failure to sustain an ongoing trend pullback towards kind of a retest of the opening range, higher end obviously. And then this kind of signature move that I like, where we get these pullbacks into squeezing two EMAs, still maintaining a positive moving average configuration, and then thrusting through from there above this little pivot area. And I did have to wait for this one, but it's paying off now. But very much in line with a multi-time frame analysis, right? If I throw on a EMAs over here, you'll see it's still a positive moving average configuration on the 30-minute as well, right? The 9 is above the 21, they squeezed in, and then that same shape that you see here is here, right? Impulse up, shape, cup with handle, call it if you like. No handle on this one, just a cup, but really portends higher prices. Certainly worth flipping the coin on. I'll put you back on pause and we'll continue. And target 2 has been hit. I just stepped out for a moment to grab some food, came back, and boom, there it is. It took a while. We had to sit back and through this thing. But the 1.5 hour all or nothing trader has left the game now. And so the 2 hour all or nothing trader is still sitting here waiting to see what happens. And there it is, finally, guys. Wow, that was a long trade, about 3 hours and 10 minutes or so. Stuck in that. This is a 3-minute chart now. I needed to fit all the candles in. Entered at around 10:35 or so, and it is now. Well, the time is now 1:51, so it's been a long time. So 3 out of 4 models made money, 1 break even. The 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hour, all or nothing traders all made money, but the 1 hour moves, the 2 hour, moved stop to break even at 1 hour, moved stop to break even, and then was stopped out, of course, and so defended themselves, but weren't able to participate on the upside. Thank you for being here today, guys. This is a trend continuation trade, fairly self-explanatory, but messy, as you can see here. And I think I explained it fairly well earlier, so I won't go back over that again. It's been a long time for me, but it'll only be a few seconds for you, of course. Have an amazing afternoon, and we will talk to you soon. I appreciate your support. Take care now.